In this video, I will be showing you how to make a photo collage frame in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start right on the Canva homepage dashboard. I move my cursor to the top left side and click on Create a Design. This opens up a drop-down menu showing different preset options. I scan through the list and select YouTube Thumbnail, which opens up a clean, landscape blank canvas ready for editing. Once my blank workspace loads, I navigate over to the left sidebar toolbar and click on the Elements tab. I scroll down past the basic graphics until I spot the grid section near the bottom. I click on grids to browse the entire collection of layout options. Canva provides a huge variety of multi-photo frames, ranging from simple split screens to modern asymmetrical layouts. I scroll down through the options until I find the style I want. Once I spot the 5-frame asymmetrical grid, I click on it, and Canva instantly snaps it across the entire canvas. Now that my collage layout is in place, I head back to the left sidebar and click on the Uploads tab to access my photos. I select a graduation family portrait, drag it over to the large frame on the right side, and release the mouse to drop it into place. Next, I choose an individual portrait and drag it into the bottom left frame. To ensure the composition looks great, I double-click the photo to open the crop tool, slide the image slightly to center the subject, and confirm the placement. I also do a quick crop adjustment on the large family photo so everyone is centered. To complete the design with relevant stock imagery, I return to the Elements tab on the left sidebar and click into the search bar at the top. I type in graduation, hit enter, and click on the Photos tab to filter the results. I pick an action shot of graduates throwing their caps into the air, drag it into the top wide frame, and adjust the crop so the flying caps stay in view. Next, I select another graduation portrait and drop it into the middle left frame. For the last empty slot in the upper right, I select an image of a graduate adjusting their cap and slide it into place. I click outside the canvas and adjust the view to admire the completed layout. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make photo collage frame in Canva.